gang, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all all what's my fidget toy. So first thing is I got this little thing right here. This is right here. They squeeze, and then I got these things they slide up, and I got these noodles things, and I got this little thing. And what else? I got pop fish. I got the bear pop fish, and I got this down to this one my brothers, and then I got this like one thing right here. I got this one too. I'm so happy this came. Yeah, I got that too, and I got all the other ones. I got these things that you pin on your hands and stuff. It's just like a little wing and stuff. Yeah, I got this. It's rolled too. I got this little wing thing. And what did they do? And I got the little squish ball. I get the squish ball.
That's mine.
Oh yeah, these my brothers. So yeah, that my brothers. And he got another noodles thing. Got look. I'm gonna open the poppy next. Now I got this poppy. I put a poppy. Yeah. Yeah, I got this little gum. I say gummy in me. This poppy game. I'm so happy. And so get me to 100K subscribers. And yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna show y'all. This is our thing. That you put on your backpack. So now I'm in so yeah. I love these. It's a little book, but it's so tiny. Look at this little thing, y'all. Okay, yeah, this is so much fun. It's like this. It's another little thing right there. I'm so excited. Here got another thing. Here got another thing right here. I'm so happy and stuff. So yeah, is so excited. And yeah, this is a long noodles thing. Yep, that it. I guess you're supposed to put this in here. You can't get that back.
Let me see this.
I guess look. I don't know what it's that. Oh, he got a little dinosaur thing. I will open this dinosaur, pop it. So, ooh, that's hard. Okay, look at this little dinosaur, pop it for pop this. Yep, this is a dinosaur puppet.
Callie, there's a thing in my pocket.
Oh yeah, it's stuck in my brother poppet. I get that gluey stuff. Yeah, that my brother right there. So yeah,
It's not even moving.
So yeah, I got these things like So,
Just kidding.
let me put it. So yeah, I think you're supposed to doing this here. I'm so screaming, so excited. So
I'm
yeah,
so happy.
This
I finally got a stress ball. Ding ding ding.
yeah, that I think that's squish ball. So yeah, like the little thing that is like up because like a little thing in it. Yeah. I got this little thing. So hope you like this video, subscribe and hit that little bit for showing y'all all me and my buddy Fidget toys. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Gang. Peace out.